Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of ERPNext and QuickBooks. In order to do so, here we are at frap.io/ERPNext, and we're also at quickbooks.intuit.com. And let's just take a look at the homepage here. According to ERPNext, it is the only ERP you'll ever need. ERPNext is the world's best free and open source ERP. You can explore the demo here. According to their website, the future of enterprise software is open source. Proprietary ERPs are expensive, limiting, and rigid. Businesses are left with two choices: either spend through the roof on SAP, Oracle, NetSuite, etc., or use multiple disconnected apps leading to manual work, poor visibility, and broken traceability. What if there's a better way? ERPNext is a 100% open source ERP with a modern, comprehensive, and user-friendly enterprise resource planning solution. We don't have any features hidden beyond expensive paywalls. Everything is yours to use, modify, or resell, giving you full control and flexibility. One ERP for all your needs. ERPNext is a comprehensive software with everything your business needs to operate and grow. This includes accounts, invoicing, sales, procurement, stock, manufacturing, projects, point of sale, HR, payroll, and more. Works out of the box for almost any industry and country and can be customized to fit unique needs with its very own low-code, no-code builder. Intuit QuickBooks, on the other hand, if you go to QuickBooks, then you got a survey there. Let's just go ahead and close out of that. Grow your business with confidence. With QuickBooks, you can scale your business seamlessly, unlock deeper insights, and work like you have a larger team behind you, all on one platform. And you can click here to get started. Plans for every stage, connected accounting, expense management, payments, and payroll all in one place. You can see here that we have some pricing to take a look at. But what does AI have to say? Well, let's go ahead and ask Cider. And according to Cider, ERPNext, or ERPNext, is a comprehensive open source ERP system suitable for larger businesses requiring robust features like manufacturing, CRM, and HR. QuickBooks, on the other hand, is a popular user-friendly accounting software primarily designed for small to medium-sized businesses, focusing on financial management, invoicing, and basic reporting. The choice depends on business size, complexity, and specific needs. ERPNext offers greater customization and scalability, but has a steeper learning curve compared to QuickBooks' ease of use and established ecosystem. Consider the total cost of ownership, including implementation, maintenance, and training, to make the best decision. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested, take a look at our description to find a link to our Linktree, where you'll find some of our recommendations to the top AI tools that we have come across, including Cider AI, which is a wonderful tool that integrates directly into your Chrome browser. You can click on it and immediately gain access to the top AI chatbots like Cider, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek, so you can compare responses and make sure that the responses you're getting are the ones you want. Also, take a look at Sintra AI. It is a fantastic business tool that will really help your business reach the next level. Can't promote that, can't recommend Sintra enough. It is just a wonderful tool. It's one of my favorite tools that I've come across. Check out our promotion in the Linktree. Click on the links there. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.